Hey guys, it's Scott with Scotty B Cards. In this video, I am going to open this 2014 Topps Update box. I don't do mini box openings at all on my channel. I think I've actually never done any, but I'm going to start incorporating them in extra time per week. So what I'm going to do, instead of having 2 videos per week where I talk about, baseball and prospecting, investing, or speculation, or whatever you want to call it, regular baseball card content, I'm going to have 1 video a week, maybe not every week from here on out, but I'm going to try to do every week consistently in the future. So there'll be a 3rd one. That's what you're watching today. And I'm going to be opening this 2014 Topps Update box. You've seen it in my backgrounds before, but I figured this is a great one to start with. The next week we'll do 2018 Topps Update, and my goal with these breaks is to have them be fun, not as commonly seen products. I know 2018 Topps Update is common, but it's more exciting than, let's say, a 2022 product. So without further ado, I never, ever plan on opening this box. So the special thing about this, this comes with 7 packs. You get 2 exclusive packs of 2014 Topps Chrome Update. That is, you get 2 packs and they're 8 cards per pack. The checklist is really small, like 50-ish cards. And then you get 5 packs, 8 cards per pack of regular Topps Update. So your chance of pulling a Betts or DeGrom is not good, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oh gosh, that feels wrong to open. I don't open boxes often, so this is exciting for me. Wish me luck. There it is. Topps Chrome Update. This is the 2nd year they did it. And this was the only method you could get it were through these mega boxes. You could not get them through any other means. Nowadays there's multiple formats, but this was the only way. So we're going to save those for last, and we're going to rip some base packs. So I'm just looking for any Mookie, because that's my guy. He's my favorite player in baseball currently. And it will be fun if we can pull him. A DeGrom would also be great. Man, those cards are so nice. I love 2014 Topps Update. Let's see what we can do. There's also some other great players in here, but nobody of real value. Jeff Samardzija. Who is this? Omar Vizquel, potential future Hall of Famer. Our first rookie, Tuffy. Oh my gosh, Goswitch. He hasn't done much, obviously. Our next rookie, we have Oscar Taveras, and then Brandon Moss. So nothing crazy there at all. We have how many of these 5 total? So we have 4 more. Out of curiosity, if you want to see any type of pack or any set, comment down below what you're looking for. Again, I want to kind of stay away from a more common product, but I want to have some fun ones like this mixed in. Who is this? Joe Smith. Sergio Romo. He's still in the league, I think, or he just barely got released. There's a Jacob DeGrom. That's a rookie debut. Is it centered well? Centered really well, so that is a potential grading card you could look at. Greg Holland. Hey, potential MVP Paul Goldschmidt and Freddie Freeman. So that DeGrom is by far the best card we've pulled so far. Let's see if we can get a true DeGrom, not a rookie debut. The rookie debuts don't go for as much. Let's see a gold or a black. You can get parallels out of these, but it's not as common. We have Rockies. We love Rockies here with Boone Logan. Brock Holt, Nick Hundley, Jeff Samardzija, Yu Darvish. I think that's he was 2012. Jeff Samardzija, Hunter Pence, and then Pat Neshek. Pat Neshek is one of the few guys out there that will consistently sign if you send him cards. So if you want, there's some through the mail autograph guys out there that will give you his address and you can get things signed by him, which is pretty great. Ooh. Let's see if we can get a parallel this pack. What do we have? Anything? Nope, no parallel. Jeff Francoeur, Gregory Polanco. He was the big guy kind of back then. Chris Perez, Anthony Rizzo, Robinson Chirinos, and Derek Norris. So far, we got to get something big out of these last 3 packs to make it worth it. Come on, Mookie. We got a gold, so that'd be pretty awesome if we hit a Mookie gold. Let's see. Come on. Eduardo Escobar. It looks really good condition, so it's too bad it wasn't. Derek Jeter. Then you have a Willie Bloomquist, Josh Donaldson, and Nick Martinez. So nothing big at all so far. Now we're at the Chrome. These are the ones that you want. The Mookie Betts PSA 10 out of this is like $700. So that's what we're hoping for. You have roughly, I don't know, there's a 50-card checklist, and you get 8 cards per box. So not great, but not terrible. Oh, it's too bad we have an insert. That makes it even harder. CJ Cron, Jose Abreu. That's pretty cool. Nice Jose Abreu rookie card. And then a Mike Schmidt. All right, let's get this last pack. A little bit of last pack magic. Let's pull a Mookie Betts. I've said Mookie Betts a lot in a video. I think this is probably the most I've ever said it. I'm trying to hide the last card so you don't see it. Andrew Heaney. Daisuke Matsuzaka. Albert Pujols. And George Springer. So not terrible. George Springer has some value, but no Mookie Betts, unfortunately. Well, thank you for watching, guys. By far the best card is probably the DeGrom rookie debut. Has the most value. Not the best box ever, but in the future, we'll pull some fire, I bet. Thanks for watching. If you want me to do more break videos, let me know if you want to see products like this opened. I want to make sure you're enjoying the channel. If you just want classic Scotty B Cards videos, that is cool as well. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.